Alright, so I swapped my cam sensor, took it for a ride. It was good for a little bit, but then I threw a cam fault. And I have his cam sensor in mine now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn mine on and see what happens. So I expect it to run right. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing monumental here. I'm gonna grab my VCDS and scan his car. So the dealer said, that he needs both camshafts, which seems a bit crazy to me. So what happened is he went in for an oil change and then got a check engine light. And they're like, yo dog, you need both camshafts. They took it all apart. Make that horrendous sound. They took it all apart and didn't find anything. And then swapped them, and it seems like when it goes into cam adjustment, like when it tries to advance the timing maybe, or it throws a fault for slow response. So they took all of this off, the cradle, the camshaft, cam cover, whatever you want to call it. Mercedes calls it a cam cover. And they said replace both camshafts. It seems pretty crazy to me. Slow response, like. Luckily, I mean, I have my car and I can just keep swapping parts from mine to his. But it sounds like it's just, I might have a bad adjuster. But I'm just gonna double check the oil filter. It's freaking hot. Hot as balls. This is bank 1, so I'm not sure which bank 1 is on this, what they consider bank 1. Just wait for this to drain out. There it goes. It's hot. It's all one piece. This is really freaking hot. Jeez, I barely drove it. What do we got in here? Oh shit. Yeah, his motor's fudged. So I pulled the oil filter just now after a drive, and there is a ton of metal in there. So my suspicion was that somebody from there started the motor with no oil during the, because they got an oil change and then this happened. Like, that's crazy to me. Look at all that metal. Motor's fucked. I'm gonna take the filter out and inspect that. I could just turn my flashlight off. A fire filter. Okay, let me. So calm down, filter down. So I can guarantee you mine doesn't look like that. So clear that space here for this. It's just, it's hot as hell. Fuck. I don't know where my stupid light went. Flashlight level done. I'm gonna turn blue light filter on. Yeah, there's just nothing but metal. Inside here, I don't know if anybody can see. So inside here, just metal, metal, metal. It's all filled with metal. So let me pull my filter out of my GTI. My golf bar. Ah, son of a bitch, I'm in a mess. Dang. Okay, now I'm removing my filter from my car. And then we will see. There's not a bunch of old metal shavings. I'm gonna grab a light. You can see in there's no metal. Okay, and then so here are the filters, side by side. Difficult. It's been a while for me. His just got oil change, so it's going to come out a lot easier. Mine's black. And then also, let's see, what filter is this? This is a, there's no markings. Oh, here we go. This one says, you can see all the metal on the bottom of this one too. This one has some, I don't know what it says on the bottom. You can see inside mine, it's just oil and looks like some kind of, I don't even know what mine has. Mine looks like RTV or something from the manufacturer, because I have not done anything to my engine. So you can see up mine. You can see his oil is really glittery. I don't know if I'm able to catch this with the camera, but I will try. See how much glitter it has in it. Good catch.
Two filters next to each other. The insides of ours look different too. I don't know if they've been revised by the dealer. I don't drive mine often. Yeah, but you can see just chunks of metal. I'm gonna have to give him a call and let him know that he needs to, I don't know, sue them. I'm not sure, because they wanted to replace the cams. It's fucked. The motor's done. The filter's like gray too. You can see how the filter has like a hue, like a gray. This one, because probably because all the metal shavings are turning the oil gray. I am going to, let's see who's. This one's his because it's hot, and you can't really tell, but I'll give him a call. Brand new oil bucket. Catch. To catch all the oil. thrust washer. Let me get some light in here, guys. Shit. So we got oil pan on Evan's car. It's done. Damn. Here we have a piece of metal, which appears to be a thrust washer. So let me grab a screwdriver. I'm gonna push this thing. I don't got any way to. Oh yeah, he lost his thrust washer. Let's see if I can get that. You can hear how much it's moving. Oh, you know, I have a dial indicator here. So. Although I don't know how I'm gonna attach it to here. Damn, that sucks. I didn't know. Good. That oil. I don't even know where the thrust washer goes on this motor. No sense in taking any more off. I don't have any magnetic base for my dial indicator, but it's got about 4 to 5 millimeters, maybe 4 millimeters. Okay, 4 to 3 millimeters of end play. Too bad. Too bad. Alright, well, I'm trying to hit him up with the bad news. That concludes this misadventure for this guy. I talked to him on the phone. He says that he's going to... my neighbor. He's going to look for a new engine. Because it's pretty boned. So the moral of the story is never upgrade your clutch. Just kidding. You can upgrade, but... every time you drive it, just check for end play, you know? I don't know. It's just the, you know, the gamble you play with upgrading clutches on these. He's running a stage 2 endurance from South Bend. I mean, the clutch has nothing to do with it. I mean, the clutch manufacturer. It's just when you upgrade the clutch, the extra pressure, it's pretty well known across the board for any manufacturer. So you have to, there's really no way around it. Here is the thrust washer. So now the engine moves that much, which is about yeah, let me get in here. 2.2 millimeters of play versus thousands of millimeters. Alright, well, catch you guys in the next video. Peace! No, I don't want to do peace. That's like B is for build. See you later, dudes!